Level 10, Proficiency. The Gingerbread Man. Once upon a time, a little old woman baked a gingerbread man, shaping him with care and placing him in the oven. But when she opened the oven door, to her astonishment, the gingerbread man sprang out alive and dashed away. As he ran, he called back, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man." The woman and her husband gave chase, but he was too swift. On his way, he outran a cow, a horse, and several villagers, mocking them all with his proud cry. At last, he reached the bank of a wide, rushing river. Unable to cross, he feared he would be caught at last. At that moment, a cunning fox appeared. "Climb onto my back," said the fox gently. "I will carry you across." Trusting the fox's words, the gingerbread man agreed. But when they reached the middle of the river, the fox suddenly tossed him into the air and snapped him up in one bite. Thus ended the gingerbread man's bold adventure, reminding us that overconfidence and misplaced trust may lead to downfall.